Living with HIV is not just about surviving, it's about thriving. In today's world, thanks to groundbreaking advancements in medicine, people with HIV can live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives. However, achieving this requires a clear understanding of what steps to take and how to navigate challenges. Welcome back to Medical Minds, where we bring you the latest medical advancements and knowledge supported by research. This video will share evidence-based strategies for managing HIV, boosting your health, and living your best life. Stay with me as we explore actionable tips backed by medical research. Although HIV gets less media attention than in the past, approximately 1.2 million people in the United States are living with HIV. With appropriate treatment, these patients can have life expectancy close to the observed among people without HIV. First and foremost, adhering to antiretroviral therapy is essential. Antiretroviral therapy works by reducing the viral load in your body to undetectable levels, helping protect your immune system and preventing the transmission of the virus to others. Studies have shown that individuals who achieve an undetectable viral load through consistent antiretroviral therapy usage experience a 96% of lower risk of HIV transmission to their partners. Set a consistent routine of taking your medication, such as pairing it with a daily habit like brushing your teeth. Use mobile apps or reminders to ensure all doses are included. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are non-negotiable when living with HIV. These visits help monitor key markers of your health, such as your CD4 cell count and viral load. CD4 count measure your immune strength. A count above 500 is ideal, but even those with lower counts can improve with proper care. Additional screenings include regular testing of opportunistic infections like tuberculosis or candidiasis, screening for comorbid conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and kidney problems, which are more common in people living with HIV. Dietary deficiencies are more common in people living with HIV. Factors such as virus itself, antiretroviral therapy side effects, and socioeconomic challenges can lead to inadequate intake of essential nutrients. Muscle wasting and weight loss are more common without adequate protein diet. High protein foods like lean meat, fish, beans, and nuts to maintain muscle mass are advisable. Vitamin D and calcium are needed to maintain bone health, especially since antiretroviral therapy can increase the risk of osteoporosis. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, fortified plant-based milks such as almond or soy milk should be included in diet. Antioxidants-rich fruits and vegetables reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Sources include fruits such as berries, oranges, and kiwi. Vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. Omega-3 fatty acids are also recommended. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Processed food high in sugar and saturated fats should be avoided. Alcohol, which can interfere with liver functions, and antiretroviral therapy also should be avoided. A 2023 study published in Clinical Infectious Diseases found that individuals with HIV who consumed a diet high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants had a 30% lower rate of inflammation-related complications compared to those with lower intakes. Exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's also a proven way to reduce stress, enhance cardiovascular health, and improve overall quality of life. Types of exercises which are recommended include aerobic activities such as walking, cycling, or swimming to improve heart health. Strength training, which helps combat muscle loss associated with HIV or antiretroviral therapy. Yoga or stretching, which enhances flexibility and reduces stress. A 2024 report in AIDS research and therapy showed that 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week improved immune markers and reduced fatigue in people living with HIV. The psychological impact of living with HIV is often underestimated. Coping with stigma, fear, and anxiety can take a toll on mental health. However, addressing these challenges is crucial for overall well-being. Seek professional counseling or therapy when needed. Join support groups where you can connect with others living with HIV. Practice mindfulness, meditation, and journaling to reduce stress. In a 2022 study published in AIDS Care, participants in peer support programs reported a 35% reduction in feelings of isolation and improved coping skills. As someone living with HIV, your immune system is your most valuable asset. Protect it by staying updated on vaccines like influenza, COVID-19, pneumococcal, and hepatitis vaccines. Talk to your healthcare provider to ensure vaccinations are timed appropriately based on your CD4 count and overall health. Healthy relationships are integral to a fulfilling life. Communication and safe practices are key when it comes to sexual health. Medical advancements in HIV care are progressing rapidly, from injectable ART to potential vaccines. Staying informed empowers you to take advantage of new treatments that could improve your quality of life. Living with HIV today is a testament to the power of modern medicine, resilience, and hope. By following these steps, staying consistent with your treatment, and taking care of your physical and emotional health, you can truly live a vibrant and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Medical Minds. Together, let's build a healthier and more informed world.